Okay, we got a new toy to test. What is this thing? You read
Tire
it?
inflator.
Tire inflator.
New.
It's what is it?
Imecha.
Imecha. From who? Vogma?
Vogma.
Foreign. Made in China.
New made in China.
Oh, there's an email. Go right to there to buy one. Okay, what'd you read about it? It's for bicycles and what?
It's for everything.
You work in a home. We're gonna try it out on a, what do you got, a Harley out there?
That's right. I thought it was a Yamaha.
It looks the same. This is factory sealed. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, that's sweet. Is that like an air freshener?
We could hang it on your mirror.
Yeah.
User manual. Read it.
No, it's use manual.
Did you read it? You got a nice baggie. Look at that. Put your diapers in.
Your light went out.
You got two of them in there? One. That's heavy. That's good. Weight's good. That's fancy. Looks like a big battery. What's in this package? Ooh, more instructions.
Oh, it does do motorcycles. Look at that.
Right.
The car. It's got a section for the car.
The car?
Yeah, the car.
Must be Italian.
The motorcycle. Ooh.
Oh, we need this piece. Okay, wait. Do you have a cigarette lighter to charge it up on?
No.
Not me either. So we're going to have problems if we use
Look
it.
at that clear.
We got some, look at all these tips. We can poke this in your tire right here and just fill it direct.
Oh, perfect, dude. Just plug it right after. Oh, look, it's got a little
Oh, there we go.
window.
Yeah, USB. Okay, we can charge it now. It's got a
Dude,
USB
what if you
up
stuck
there.
your finger in there?
You might cut it off. There's that brand again.
Is it the car?
What's it say?
It just says car. Sports balls.
Car.
He got sports balls.
We got balls? There's
Sports
sport
balls.
Alright. We got to edit this for indecent exposure.
I don't think
How do you
so.
get this thing open?
Just pull the tab right here.
What tab?
That one.
We've had one of these before. It's got clear plastic on it so you can drop it and not hurt it. Look at that, it's like a safety package in there.
I don't think so. I don't think you should do that.
Well, that's not meant to come apart.
No.
It's got the exposed wiring so you can see that problems when it
Yeah,
breaks.
that's right.
Okay, so that works like, what's that do? That doesn't do anything. This makes noise. That's
Press the
good.
center button.
Center button. Where's my valve? Teaching sent me something to test.
It's got no power.
Did you read the instructions?
I said you got to plug it in.
How many foot-pounds of torque? About that much?
About that much.
Put your tongue in there and see if it works. Didn't work. Where's the on button?
That is the home button.
This is the on button. Is there another on button? Sometimes they hide them on me.
Can you charge it with this?
Why didn't it come already charged? It's brand new. Everything I get comes free charged. There's a light. Light doesn't work. You mean this thing's dead already? That's not fair.
I think it's good when you leave a battery dead for a long time.
It's brand new. Just give it in the box.
Was it?
See right there. Came from Amazon. Compact size, multifunctional, wireless power supply. What do you mean wireless?
It's not really wireless.
Didn't even work.
This is a great product review.
What kind of flimsy piece of crap is it? Can you plug it in? You got one of these? No.
No.
What do we do have?
Just go straight to the battery. Here, plug this in.
What's that? We can plug that into.
USB.
No.
Got your computer down here?
I brought my computer with me. Good thing I brought my computer with me. You can find out why it doesn't work. How does this work? This just has a positive and negative, doesn't it?
Yeah. Perfect.
That's a light. What's this hole for?
Sticking your finger in.
Doesn't do anything. Where's your battery at? That's a Harley battery. It weighs a lot. You awesome.
12 volt.
55 warning.
Perfect.
This might cause you death.
cancer, everything.
I just did that. Here, we just narrow it down. It might kill you. There's some tools. Any tools? There, switch out the wires. Is this how you do it?
Pretty sure. Just touch them together, make sure you got spark.
Okay, that goes to that one. Pretty sure that's positive.
I thought that's ground.
Should have a ground right here to protect you. It should be protected from the dumbass is using it, isn't it? That's the wrong one. That's the one. This one's connected to something else.
Hold it. You have it plugged in backwards? Maybe that's the ground.
I'm pretty sure the outside's ground. Well, I just give you a damn plug in to plug it in, but I don't know. Doesn't seem to be working.
Maybe it's got to be pressed in or something.
No, it's just a solid connection.
Oh.
Pretty sure the battery works. I used it the other day.
Why don't we just plug it into your computer?
Because I got to turn my computer on, and now I'm doing a computer test. The USB ports I got on this thing. Do we have to turn the computer on to make it work?
I think so.
We just plug it into the blank side port.
Oh, you don't even have a USB. Oh, no, yeah, you do.
Gotta be one in there somewhere. How about this one right here? Oh, you turned it on now. Okay, you gotta unarm this so you don't short yourself out. I like that one better.
Oh, there we go.
Well, these batteries almost fully charged.
Oh, flash for a second.
They sent me a bad battery. No juice at all. I can't believe they sent you something with no juice. What year was this thing made? I've never had a product come in that had a dead battery in it.
Yeah, you're not supposed to store them with dead batteries.
I didn't store it. They just
What
sent
about
it
the
to me.
use manual?
They just sent it to me. Is that a use manual?
Use manual.
Okay, can you read that? This didn't work though. I know I hooked it up right.
The correct tire pressure is important for road safety. This device is not suitable for tires that require high capacity, high pressure.
That might take a while to charge up.
Ooh, warning, it could be dangerous if improper use.
Not for me.
That's right. Please use this device in a safe area.
Steel workbench.
It's pretty safe.
Is this even on yet? You didn't even turn this on.
It's charging.
There we go. Now it's on. I use the secret passcode. Oh yeah, it's my right thing.
Oh, you're not supposed to throw this thing into a fire, by the way.
No fire?
No.
Computer doesn't work. I broke my computer.
It may cause explosion if the battery is improperly replaced. That's not good.
There's a battery in there?
Listen.
I think I broke my computer. How come the light doesn't go out? There, it went off. We don't even have one bar. That's bad. Look at that. No bars. Can't believe they sent me a bad.
Oh, do not
Dead.
use if found any unusual situations.
You mean like a dead battery? Doesn't work out of the box? Yeah, that'd be a problem. How many stars do they have on that? 5?
5.
5.
5 stars. Oh, look, you can plug it into a...
Out of 50?
Look at that. You can fill up your life-saving device.
What the hell is that thing? Is that how you charge the battery?
I think so.
How it works?
Very nice. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks like the wheel we wanted to use, except that's small.
That is small. How to use car air.
How do you set this thing?
Hold the power button for 2 seconds. The center one. Oh.
I did hold it for 2 and it went off.
I don't think your computer's putting out enough power.
Too dead to work?
Yeah, it's too dead to work.
Oh well. So much for this test. We're failing. Alright, we got to let it charge up for a while. We'll be back in a little bit. It's 5:30 almost. We'll see how long for it gets 2 bars. Maybe it'll work with 2 bars. Find out.